Hi all, I just finished seasoning my pork chops here, so what I want to do is now marinate it, and what I have is the Get Ready Ice Bucket Liners. It measures 12 by 12. You just go ahead and tear it off. It comes in a little log like this. But it measures 12 by 12, and normally people use it to put ice as a liner for your ice box. But instead, I use it as multiple things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the meat inside. And then once it's done, I'm just going to go ahead and put it inside the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. And then tomorrow I can be able to make some fresh pork chops for my family. So I have it here. Push that out the way. Here it is here. And what I also recommend, I get as much of the air out as I can. Close it up. Also recommend is get some of the twisty ties too. They're convenient. I go ahead and wrap it up. And then I can go ahead and put it inside the refrigerator and again let it marinate, and then I'll cook it tomorrow. Very convenient.